Jim Starwell here with your market report for real estate for the Grayslake area, including 60030 zip code, letting you know what's going on in the real estate market. Total listing count right now is 92. That's actives, have contracts, pendings, etc. Now we go back to May of 23. We go back a year ago, and it was 103. So it is down a little bit. But what's actually still on the market ready to be purchased, May of 2023 was 37. Right now it's 37. We are exactly on par as we were last year. The new listing count as of the end of May 2024 was 36. In May of 23 it was 52. So that's about 15 less homes on the market just in our zip code. Now under contract in May was 66. Right now it's 55. So we are seeing a market slowdown. So the crazy bidding wars are coming to an end. We're still seeing multiple offers, but it's slowing down. Buyers have become wise, and they're saying we're just not going. We've hit our top. We've hit the top of the market. We're not in a bubble. It's not going to burst. There's still the same amount of homes coming on and going off, slightly less. We're still good. Active listings is the same. Now, median list price has gone down from May of 2023 was 314,000. Right now it's 269. So what we found out is home prices are stabilizing. They've plateaued. I think we're going to stay at today's market pricing for quite a few years at this point. In my opinion, they're right where they should be. They are on par. We're at $161 a square foot. When we go back to May 2023, they were $156 a square foot. When you analyze that and you put it all together, what that means is we were probably selling some larger homes. The smaller homes are starting to come back on the market. This is a great thing for first-time home buyers. So if you're thinking about buying a home, now is a great time. Still a great time to sell your home. There's still a lot more buyers than there are sellers. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, we got a fast-moving market. You have to talk to a realtor who knows what they're doing, and we can help you out here at the Star Home Team. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, right here in Grayslake at 783 Barron Boulevard. We'll talk to you soon.